So do surveys actually really pay? Like, how much can you really expect to make from doing online service, and which platform actually do the most, like best site that actually gives you the most surveys that will pay you the most? So in today's video, I'm going to be going through this short video showing you proof of payment, as well as how you can get started to get a decent amount of money. As you can see, this is my latest payment proof right here. So this is just a payment that I test withdrawal that I got from this website that I'm going to be sharing with you. So if you stay all the way to the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can also earn $6 a week, a day, depending on how many hours you are willing to put in on this service and how much time that you actually like dedicate to completing them thoroughly the way I'm going to show you throughout this video. So if you actually focus on it and just like do exactly what they ask you to do, you're actually going to be able to make at least $6 every now and then, and actually withdraw whenever you want, right? So if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, hit the like button, share, like the video, leave a comment if you got any questions down below. Otherwise, you can join the Facebook or Telegram group that we got, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. So anyways, without wasting much of your time, this is my paper right here. As you can see, I just logged in so that I can show you guys payment proof. So as you can see, this is $6 which I just recently got from splendidresearch.com. so basically this is a payment processor that they're using on this website that I'm going to show you right here. So the website that I'm talking about is Mobrog. So Mobrog is a survey offering website. So basically what they do is one of those websites where you are paid to conduct a research on companies and so forth. So if I can quickly just go to my home right here. So if I can just duplicate this and then show you my home screen, and then just show you what is actually going on there. So you basically receive invitations to surveys that you can complete. So usually these surveys last from anywhere from 5 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the amount of money that you're being paid, right? So as you can see, I've been a member for this website for 405 days, and I've completed successfully 22 surveys. As you can see, 0 referred people on this account. So all the money that will be showing you, everything that I've achieved with this account is basically just based on me doing the surveys and not inviting anyone, right? So it's not those websites where you have to invite 10 people minimum to be able to cash out and all those stuff. Those are scams, right? If you see a website that says that, it's usually a scam. Most of it, especially if they are Telegram bots, which I also share on this channel. So if you're new and you haven't seen the bots that we use on Telegram, be sure to check out some of the playlists or our recent videos, and you'll be able to find the ones that are really pay without any affiliates, without having to refer anyone to the platform, right? Those are the only real platforms that actually really pay when you don't have to refer anyone to the platform and so forth. And as you can see, I'm on level 4 right now. So the levels, as you can see right here, these are the work. You'll be able to see payouts and so forth. So if you can just go and see this, basically you can just go through and see what the levels mean, right? And then you'll be able to the more surveys that you do successfully, that you complete, the more chances that you actually be able to do, right? So you basically get ranked according to your completion successfully of your surveys, and then you'll be able to invite it even more, so that the more surveys that you get invited to, the more chances of you to make more money. So that's basically, I mean, that's just how it works. So if I go to surveys right here, this is where you'll be able to, when you receive an email and then you come here, you'll be able to come and complete some surveys. So right now, as you can see, they say no surveys, but I can see this too right here. I don't know if that's just a small glitch or something, but you basically just click on there, and then as you can see, you can either complete this on your PC or on your mobile phone. So you can just click on this button and then get started with the survey, right? So when you're invited, or you can just come and log in, and then you'll be able to see some surveys that are available for you to get started with. So once you get started with it, you'll be able to complete it and follow up what is needed, right? And then once you complete it, you get your balance. So if I go to my balance right here, you actually get credited however amount that you actually earned on that. You'll be able to see it right there. So as you can see right here, so the last survey that I did was just a couple days ago. So I think this was about 8 days, actually 8 days ago. So the 8th of January this year. So as you can see, whenever you receive an invitation, you just come through and you do it. So it's not a lot of money. As you can see, these are withdrawals right here, right? $6. So most of this amount I always withdraw when I have reached at least $6 minimum. So as you can see right here, $6. So it does mount up to a quite a lot of money if you carry on doing the thing, if you just carry on doing it right. So I've currently, my balance is just $3.69. As I said, you don't need any referrals to do this. You don't need to invite anybody. You don't need to, it's free, totally free to sign up. You don't need to do a payment, once-off payment or something like that. It's literally just for free. So it's available in many countries. So there's going to be a link down below. It is my referral link, whereby we both going to earn a $1 when you first complete when you earn your first couple dollars. I think when you earn your first dollar or something like that, or complete your first 30 surveys, we're both going to earn an extra $1. So it just helps you and I to get something extra on this website. So it's totally for free, as I said. So it's just an extra bit of cash if you want. So my invitation link is going to be down below. But as I showed you right now, I didn't need any. So I didn't need any to invite anybody to be able to cash out for the first time, for me to actually achieve all this amount of money that I've earned using this website alone. So there's no need for referrals, but obviously if you want to increase your income on the platform, you can always refer people to it, because it provides value for them. It's a win-win for everybody, right? The surveys company gets more people to complete surveys. That means they earn more. I personally get an extra $1 for everybody who I successfully refer, and then you on the other end, you're earning your money when you do your survey. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. So if you, I would really appreciate if you hit that link down below and then create your own account and get started with this service today. So anyways, as you can see right here, these are payments and withdrawal proof as well. So I'm just gonna go back to the sign up page. So when you hit the link down below, you're going to be able to create your account. So basically I'm in South Africa, so these are the countries that are all available right here. So I've noticed that most of my audience are actually in India. So basically you just come here on your sign up page, you click on India, and then once you click on India, you see that sign up India residents only. So that's when you sign up if you're in India. And then if you are in let's say I know most of my audience also, they're all from Philippines. So Philippines, right here, you just click on Philippines, the name of your country, and then you'll be able to see it right there. It will just say sign up for these countries. So sign up for Mobroke Philippines, right? So basically that's it. That's just how it works. So you just select your country where you are. So I actually recommend you to say the actual country that you're in, because if you actually lie on this part, you might not actually get invited for surveys, or you might not be able to complete the service successfully, because they're gonna check your IP address at most times when you're doing the survey, right? So it's always best to actually just give out your real country, the name of your country, and then yeah. So of course you can try to cheat the website and create multiple accounts. That works also, but I wouldn't recommend it. So just if you can just try to do one account and just focus on leveling up, so that you get to the highest level where you get the most surveys, so you actually make quite a bit of extra income, or just from this website alone. So it is a good thing to just focus on one, so that you grow your account instead of trying to manage a lot of accounts, right? So it's just one, and then you grow it to the highest level as much as possible, and then you'll be able to earn a bit more extra. And again, you can also always refer other people, but when you refer other people, just a one-time $1 that you get. So it's not really like recurring income, which is also not that great, but anyways, it's just a bit of extra cash. So right, it helps out sometimes. So anyways, if I come here, so this is as I say, these are my payments, right? So I'm just gonna go back to my PayPal account and then show you guys payment proof, because I mean that's the most important thing, right? So if you go to my view all, so this is, as I said, this is the payment processor that they use, Splendid Research. So that's like when you receive payment, this is basically where it is coming from. It's like a payment processor that they use to cash out. So it doesn't say Mobroke or anything, but that's basically where it is coming from. That's basically the website. I mean, as you saw right now, this is my last transaction, right? So if I can go back to my balance right here, this is the last withdrawal, minus 625. This was on the 25th of December last year, just a few days ago. I think that's what, about 30 days ago, something like that. Almost 30 days ago that it was last year. So yeah, 25th of December 2019, this is a $6.25. And then if I come back to my PayPal, this is the latest withdrawal that I have on this account right here. So as you can see, $6.25, and it's on the 25th of December. So basically it was same day. This is actually on the same day. It was processed on the same day, as you can see, 25th of December, and it was actually processed on the same day, which is another great thing. So same day payments, I mean, everybody can really appreciate something like that, right? So I'm just gonna go, as I said, this website I've been on it for over 400 days now, so I'm just gonna go back in time and select where I started. So I'm just gonna go and select some date in 2018, so maybe January, okay, December 2017 is perfect, and then I'm just gonna say submit to the latest date. Today is the 16th of January 2020. So right here, as you can say, same day processing. This is really amazing. I know some of you will really appreciate that, right? So as you can see right there, these are my payments. So okay, let me just sort it out for you guys so that we all see how many of these there are. So I'm just gonna go to search right here, and then I'm gonna search for a Splendid. Let me see if it's gonna show up right there. There we go. So I'm just gonna search for that, and then we can sort it out, right? So as you can see, $6.25, 6666. As you can see, I've paid out at least, how many times is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, and 8 times 6 is a good number. I think close to $50, almost $50 from this platform alone, just spending an extra bit of time. As I say, it doesn't take a lot of time, and the higher you complete the surveys with high accuracy, the higher you get ranked, the more invitations you get, and the more invitations you get, the more chances you get to make more money on this platform. So I really recommend that you just focus on when you're actually doing these surveys, that you just focus on completing them successfully and get more invitations. So okay, for those who are still watching all the way this far, I'm gonna share with you one little tip that you can actually use to be more successful with this website, which is to always, when you get an invitation link, they're actually gonna invitation email, actually they're actually going, in the email they're going to tell you, they're going to describe what type of audience they want for a certain for that survey, right? They're going to tell you maybe they want somebody who is between this age range, maybe from 18 to 25, and is a student or is doing something like that, right? So maybe they want somebody, a family man who's employed at this certain company type or industry, and they're earning this amount of money, living in this area and so forth. So when they tell you those kind of details, just note those details, and then when you go complete your survey, always try to put your details relating to what they are looking for, right? So that you actually get paid, right? So I mean, it is not being that honest, but I mean, if you want to get the most out of this website, then you gotta rely on what they tell you, what they are looking for, and just go with that, right? So just go with what they're looking for. That way you always make sure that you actually successfully complete all surveys and get paid. So this was all that I wanted to share with you guys. As you can see, payment proof is right there, almost $50 if my math is right. So I really appreciate you watching the video all the way to the end. If you're still new and you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button, turn notification, hit the like button, share the video. It always helps the channel grow. And join the Telegram group, join the Facebook group if you're interested in those and staying up to date with new ways of making money online. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.